You are going to love the 2019 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, rear window defroster, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.